Hello, hello, hello. Check mic, check mic. So, here, slide. So, ba't about agad? Saan yun? Yan. So, good morning, sir. I am Jules Ivan Car Villanueva Chumanyo, and this is my UX portfolio prototype. The project goal was to showcase my work with a simple mobile-first interface that makes contacting me and viewing projects quick and easy. So, paano i-zoom to? Yun. So, next. So, this about screen gives a short bio, education, and a simulated resume download. The goal is to let reviewers learn who I am within a few seconds. So, this is my about short bio. And next. So, here in projects, I present featured projects. Each card links to detailed case pages for submission. I highlighted three projects: a food ordering app redesign, a student portal, and a portal website. So here, sir. So andito na rin yung mga buttons ng mga projects, yung home, about, project, skills, and contacts. So kanina na discuss natin yung home and about. So here, andito tayo sa projects. And dito yung mga three, saan yun? Three features ng projects. Yung food ordering app, student portal, and portfolio website. And next, project details. So this is a project details screen. It summarizes the problem, my approach, and the outcome. In a full prototype, this would include screenshots and links to deeper case studies. So here is my project details. So nari yung food ordering app that yung pinili na yung project na pinili natin. So andito na rin yung pros and cons niya. And next, skills. So skills, the skills screen uses short bar and tool icons to quickly communicate proficiency in research, wireframing, and prototyping tools like Figma and Adobe XD. Di? Skills, yun. And next, contact. The contact screen includes a simple form and direct contact info so potential employers can reach me. So, andito na rin yung mga contacts ko, of course. And in the interactive prototype, submitting the form triggers a small success model to confirm the message was sent. So, dito yung form, meron siyang yung name, email, message, and submit. So, dito na rin yung mga contact ko. Yung contact ko, yung parang about me na rin. So, here dito sa contact me, dito yung it's a simple form na paano nila ako marireach. Here via email ba or phone or on my socials. Dito yung socials ko sa LinkedIn, Behance, and GitHub. And next. So I think that's the last of my slide. So that's the prototype, sir. I built the sitemap wireframes, and interaction to support mobile first flow to clear the CTAs. So that's all, sir. Thank you for watching.